Background and history. Discovery and exploration. Svalbard, situated in the Arctic Ocean, holds a rich history of exploration dating back to the early 17th century when Dutch explorer Willem Barents first ventured into this unforgiving Arctic environment. Subsequent expeditions faced formidable challenges, including harsh weather conditions and perilous ice-covered waters. Treaty of Svalbard. The Svalbard Treaty of 1920, also known as the Spitsbergen Treaty, was a groundbreaking international agreement that granted signatory countries specific rights and access to Svalbard. It aimed to ensure equal access to the archipelago's resources and established a unique governance structure. Territorial claims. The history of Svalbard is marked by exploration and resource exploitation, with multiple countries, including Norway and Russia, asserting territorial claims over parts of the archipelago. These claims stem from historical exploration, resource discovery, and attempts to establish sovereignty. Key players. Norway. Norway plays a pivotal role as the administering authority of Svalbard, balancing its sovereignty with international obligations under the Svalbard Treaty. The Norwegian government manages most of the archipelago and administers the Svalbard Governorate. Russia. Barentsburg, a Russian coal mining town on Svalbard, represents Russia's presence in the region. Russia operates under the Svalbard Treaty framework and maintains a unique relationship with Norway while maintaining a significant economic and cultural presence in Barentsburg. International recognition. 1. Svalbard Treaty. The Svalbard Treaty, which regulates the rights and responsibilities of signatory countries in Svalbard, forms the foundation of international recognition for the governance and administration of the archipelago. Current status. 1. Territorial administration. In the present day, Norway holds primary responsibility for the administration of Svalbard, encompassing governance, infrastructure, and resource management. 1. Russia maintains its presence in Barentsburg, operating under the treaty's provisions. Conflict resolution efforts. 1. Diplomatic engagement. Diplomatic efforts between Norway and Russia have been ongoing to address territorial disputes and maintain stability on Svalbard. 1. These negotiations aim to ensure adherence to the principles of the Svalbard Treaty and peaceful coexistence. Humanitarian impact. Local communities. The local population of Svalbard faces unique challenges, living in extreme Arctic conditions. These challenges include adapting to the harsh climate, supporting research and tourism activities, and addressing the complexities of a multicultural environment. Environmental conservation. Environmental conservation on Svalbard holds significant humanitarian importance, especially within the context of global climate change. Preservation efforts focus on protecting delicate Arctic ecosystems and addressing the implications of rising temperatures and melting ice. Geopolitical implications. Arctic geopolitics. Svalbard's strategic location and resource potential make it a focal point in the broader context of Arctic geopolitics. The region's significance is growing as Arctic sea routes become more navigable, and natural resources become more accessible. Research and polar exploration. Svalbard serves as a crucial hub for international polar research and scientific cooperation. Its geopolitical importance lies in facilitating research on climate change, Arctic ecosystems, and global environmental trends. Legal framework. 1. International law. The Svalbard Treaty provides the legal framework governing Svalbard's status and administration. 1. It outlines the rights and responsibilities of signatory countries and addresses issues related to territorial disputes and resource management. Potential solutions. Diplomatic negotiations. Diplomatic solutions for addressing territorial claims involve negotiations between Norway and Russia. These negotiations aim to balance national interests with the principles of the Svalbard Treaty, emphasizing cooperation and peaceful coexistence. Resource management. Collaborative approaches to resource management and environmental conservation on Svalbard consider the interests of Norway, Russia, and other signatory countries. Sustainable resource utilization and environmental protection are central to these discussions. Media and public perception. 1. Documentary film. Documentary filmmaking plays a crucial role in raising public awareness of Svalbard's unique governance and challenges. 1. Documentaries shed light on the region's environmental significance, geopolitical importance, and the lives of its inhabitants. Future outlook. Sustainable development. The future of Svalbard is closely tied to sustainable development. Balancing economic activities, environmental conservation, and research in the Arctic environment is essential for its continued prosperity. Global climate impact. Svalbard's changing climate is of global concern, as it serves as an early indicator of environmental shifts. It is likely to influence international discussions on climate change and policies addressing the Arctic's evolving environmental landscape, ultimately shaping the future of the entire Arctic region.